CN.
You are watching Heroes Cable Network. At Heroes Cable Network, we promote culture, traditions, education, and development in our community. Ceana, over the years, have been undertaking projects in communities in Ghana, in Togo, and in Benin. And this year, they happen to have done 3 beautiful projects in Ghana and Togo. We are here this afternoon to report on a 6-unit classroom block donated by Ceana to the VAME Zion School here in the Keta municipality of the Volta region of Ghana. I welcome you to this beautiful project. As you can see, this beautiful 6-unit classroom was financed and provided proudly by Ceana, the Council for Every Association of North America. The building was commissioned by the former president, Dr. Nathaniel Peter Abochi, on April the 23rd, 2017, to the community here in Vui. As you can see, Ceana is in education and therefore want to provide an enabling environment for children to study, for children to learn under conditions that befit modern education. Therefore, they have proudly donated this building for the VAME Zion Basic School. We are here to talk to some of the stakeholders that have seen this project coming up. We are going to talk to the PTA chairman first. Then we talk to the headmistress and the assistant headmaster. Let's listen to the PTA chairman as to what he has for us.
Oh, Bajima ada kuma chuma ko ma da ko na Ceana tore adogen ko ga wona mi. Anyan kunu hana mi ni ejo enye ba mi achuma ko mi ada ko na to bi ado ha. Ala ba enya meke ajagba gbagba na mi afi mi mi okom la fia ata brigina mi garanto alaba ye mi abuna goma jega ha unna bata pela ga piti ala nyei alaba ajimara la mi aku mi nyaba amavaga uta te mi atango ba piti na mieli alaba nya ko mi miela daro ko mi je mi achu mo ko mi da pa no kata aye mi ga da pa na to ya no manya fia ba ala America fila ya mi da pa no kata ya kwa kama nu ha mi ga hia na kpakpara nwara wa no mi no gbadom ra ba na ngo ga nyu ni aga je oji pan suba wa kwara mi anu mi ga hia na school for de ni hia na da gara ko ma fila fia review ba shi an no jo ha o manyu anu ga reoli office master's office homoli ya mi kukudamba no nyeba mi arogbo lugaro mi ahia na so mi bio ko akore mi anu ye mai gafu as we head minister ali kula assistant master haliko ohoiji ku konyenye Collins agbedan suku jipola pe pedeunto ma globe dojijo gede nam be ikene sebe project ni agbona be mi agbo my global project are for Jami Po. Kaka to my woman Vavama, Mushan Wiji, Alabama Sebe, Toby Adoy Yame, Kepe, she sell a project Yama Laka project Yaji. My blood don't go where I challenge Yama GSS. Stream the Kakudom Yashi. Kakaya Meo, Alo, Ceana Toja, Baba to Hoyanamia, I will be Yaga Ho the Viga there. Alabe Sukwaka Katareji GSS 50 life yama trouble double stream a cha de mi pack another for the kamatata aka uko na we 50 life yabe at least the view over there a home vie aka nu gade wo ga hiami ya mi gade home 50 life ya anu no ji o nu ikaji the view no anlo nu agbanlo nto mi nyale Ghana vale 50 life ya
Obami je program gomagaka ta flachi agbalo mo pe de program angu ta va we be na no fia va fu de vivi na mon papa te wa su ya shi be mi pe de mi angu be mi aji especially storybook na mi avia o plus su be mi afa ye fu be na a chi de via ado jijo na mi nto ya ma yiji mada pe na to gbi yado ye manomi ade ohin project ya baba fia da maunela gberetani afisia afi ke Ceana po gale afi o project ya ye da penawo mauna yirawo gede amachonua ta flache do hima aje gba ya achoro himi aviaro hono chia over join no la fuma albe nu na mo wona mi la fia e bi hana extend tuolo ta akpena mi ya wiva onyolo akpe
Maraku anyenya suku tatofia anyi vakore Mr. Susu tepe alabang konyenya Lorenda Maushi fiatobo oh nyatepe ayi mava vako suku kwa yamaike DHS viole ado jijonam alakegbegbe alaba a chao madi chapa kwe ajikbo ma no na mo alaba su ko ya makoba aje poji aye akpada de vionu ha ba su ku vion ha wala anu koko plejito mama afi ala su ko ta akpana mi awe awoto dokwe mafaha masamianko da atoga mi wota to goba nyama liafi on ha masamyanko aka mia global suku ya hia gada wo gali ma apu kokona mi ba mia kwa nkuma gatara le mia le suku ya ifi lafia na mi ko ha akwa imo laba ha teacher na no ni ha mallam ya shi allo ka headmasters bungalow le poji iha anhiana achitotro bibo bla anu gada suku podo onya gbado apototo hama la suku anwo ka nyi maga glofia kle vava sese nya ba yi onya ba pototo malio ni choala amada chukuno da vagada teacher kaji la classroom do pa close struggle ba chukuno ha adu teacher la mi kanya vava sese na mi the police station plata punda anyamata ta majiba nyaka tromo da nyako wu alaba suwa na su akpenami nyawele to.
This beautiful 6-unit classroom provided freely and proudly by Ceana for the pupils of Vui has served its purpose. Over 300 pupils study in this 6-unit classroom block. We want to thank Ceana very much for their kind gift and look forward for more of such initiatives across Keta, across Volta region, across Ghana, Togo, and Benin. On this note, my name is Joel Deg, reporting for HCN.